3, 2, 1, action. Take off sunglasses. Walk into the office.
Good
Nod
morning.
and say, "Good morning." Hang up the bag. Take the file. Sit down and review it. Answer the ringing phone.
I'm looking at it now. I'll call you back in 10.
Sign the document. Stand up and head out.
They're already in there. You know the case.
Now, everyone can be a director with AI. This one-take video was created using the latest Kling 3.0 inside FlexClip. Throughout the full 15-second shot, it follows my prompt precisely. The camera smoothly tracks the woman as she walks through the entire scene, with impressive attention to detail. Like
Good
the elevator
morning.
doors closing automatically behind her, and subtle moments such as her sighing and slightly frowning as she sits down. Quick tutorial. Now I'll teach you how to generate a one-shot video like this with a single click in FlexClip. Go to FlexClip AI Video Generator and choose Kling 3.0 in the model list. Upload an image as the first frame reference. Enter this prompt. Select a 15-second duration, turn on the audio button, and click Generate. And just like that, your video is ready. Now you don't even need to write prompts. Simply
Good
click the
morning.
link in the comments to recreate this video in one click. You can also customize the character or location to create your own version. Now let's continue the story to make it feel more complete. Using the same steps,
Good morning.
we'll generate
I'm
the
looking at it
second
now. I'll
and
call you
third
back in
scenes
10.
to keep the video realistic. That's all for today. Want to create cinematic videos like this? Just go to FlexClip and try it now. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.